Right, where we are right now, if you all, I bet you've never noticed this, wait to see if anybody's ever noticed this, right? Do you see down the bottom of your screen where you've got your shade modes? Put it to something like hidden line, everybody, right? So in 3D, make it hidden line. So remember the differences. Shaded looks like that. Consistent colours looks like that. And realistic, I won't do because it will slow everything down, right? But if we just do hidden a little minute, right? Do you see your shadows? See if you click that button again at the top of it, it says graphic display options. Has anybody ever seen that before? Has anybody ever seen it? Look what box it is. It's the same as clicking graphic display options in here. Do you all see it? That's exactly the same thing, look at that. If we click on down here, graphic display options, right? So what I want you all to do is click on shadows, you can see that. And I want you to switch on this other thing here, so watch my screen a little minute. It's called ambient shadows. You watching inside my room? Watch this. Apply. You see what it does? It actually makes the shadows more realistic rather than only the shadow and white, like sun and shadow. What it does is the light actually bounces round about a room, and that's what it's doing. Okay? So that's what it's doing now. I want you also to open lighting while you're here. And shadows are at 50%. Again, watch my screen. Watch this. I want to go down to something like 20% or so. Do you see how much lighter that looks? Look what happens if I drag it all the way up. Look. Look at that. If you're going for House of Horrors, that works, right? I would never go to bed in that house if you can't see. I'd be terrified walking about. Something like about 20 to 25% is, I would say, your optimum. Okay, so shadows we want on. You want to pick the right time of day, and you want ambient shadows on, and you want to change your shadows from 50 to anywhere between, I say, 20 to 25 intensity. And look at how good that looks. Okay, while we are there, I'm going to do one last thing in here just now to show you, and I want you all to look here. Can you all see my windowsill right now? Do you see how jagged that looks? Does everybody notice it? Up here in model display, tick, smooth, and watch, I'll click apply, you watch the windowsill, you watching? Oh, look at that, what it did. That made it so much nicer straight away, hasn't it?